All right, today, the alien skater Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this is one I did a while back, and I always start with some type of airbrush framework. And so the way I draw bodies is I draw just kind of a stick person for my rough. But as you can see what I did on here, I drew it up and then didn't follow it at all on the legs. But with this one, this kind of goes back to my skateboarding days, which was a long time ago. And so he's got the old school deck that has the obvious front end and the obvious tail. I drew some trash on the street as well, right next to the gutter. Threw the gutter in and the trash just for added detail, just for more stuff to look at. But with this one, I struggled with the green, so I just went ahead and with a kind of a mint color, and then came back with kind of a lime green for the t-shirt. Threw on some jeans, gave him some red Chuck Taylors with white laces. I don't know why I draw so many weirdo doodles. I think that regular people or just regular ordinary folk just doesn't seem to. I can't draw that stuff, so I draw all this weird stuff. So gave him the obvious black grip tape, throw in some texture onto that with some halftones, gave it an orange background. There you go. Ollie to curb grind, skater alien. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.